Welcome to RP Lifestyle YouTube channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you. We will be diving into the remarkable world of Maca Powder, a powerful superfood known for its numerous health benefits. So, let's get started. Have you ever heard of Maca Powder? Well, if you haven't, you're in for a treat. Maca Powder is derived from the maca plant, which is native to the high altitudes of the Andes Mountains in Peru. This amazing plant has been cultivated for thousands of years and is revered for its incredible nutritional profile. Health benefits. So, why has Maca Powder gained such popularity recently? That's because it offers a wide array of health benefits. Let's explore a few of them. Nutrient-rich. Maca Powder is packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins, such as vitamin C, B vitamins, and vitamin E, minerals, such as calcium, magnesium, and iron, and beneficial plant compounds like flavonoids and glucosinolates. These nutrients contribute to overall health and well-being. Energy and stamina. Maca is often used as a natural energy booster. It has been traditionally believed to enhance stamina and endurance, making it popular among athletes and individuals seeking increased physical performance. Hormonal balance. Maca Powder is often touted for its potential to support hormonal balance. It is believed to have adaptogenic properties, meaning it helps the body adapt to various stressors. Maca may assist in regulating hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone, potentially alleviating symptoms related to hormonal imbalances. Sexual health and fertility. Maca has a long-standing reputation as an aphrodisiac and fertility enhancer. While scientific studies on its effects are limited, some research suggests that maca may improve sexual desire, boost libido, and enhance fertility in both men and women. Mood and mental well-being. Maca Powder is believed to have positive effects on mood and mental well-being. It may help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety, as well as improve cognitive function and memory. However, further research is needed to establish these effects conclusively. Antioxidant properties. Maca contains antioxidants that help protect the body against oxidative stress and free radicals. Antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. Bone health. Maca Powder contains minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Regular consumption of maca may contribute to better bone density and help prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Culinary uses. Maca Powder isn't just limited to its health benefits, it's also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Let's explore a few ways to incorporate Maca Powder into your daily routine. Smoothies and beverages. Maca Powder can be added to smoothies and beverages to enhance their nutritional value. It blends well with fruits, vegetables, and plant-based milk or yogurt. The earthy, nutty flavor of Maca Powder complements many smoothie combinations. Baked goods. Maca Powder can be incorporated into baked goods such as muffins, cookies, cakes, and bread. It can be used as a substitute for a portion of flour in recipes, adding a unique flavor and nutritional boost to the final product. Start by adding small amounts and adjust according to your taste preferences. Energy balls and bars. Maca Powder is often included in homemade energy balls and bars. These nutritious snacks are made with a combination of nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and sweeteners. Adding Maca Powder provides an energy boost and enhances the overall nutrient content. Breakfast foods. Maca Powder can be sprinkled on top of breakfast cereals, oatmeal, granola, and yogurt bowls. It adds a pleasant nutty flavor and provides an extra dose of nutrients to start your day. Desserts. Maca Powder can be used in desserts like puddings, truffles, and raw vegan treats. Its distinct flavor pairs well with chocolate, vanilla, and caramel flavors, adding depth and complexity to desserts. Sauces and dressings. Maca Powder can be incorporated into sauces, dressings, and dips to give them a unique twist. It works particularly well with savory ingredients like tahini, citrus juices, garlic, and herbs, creating a flavorful and nutrient-rich sauce. How to choose and store Maca Powder. Now that you're eager to try Maca Powder, let's talk about choosing and storing it. Quality matters. Look for certified organic maca powder to ensure it's free from pesticides and other contaminants. Also, opt for raw or gelatinized maca powder, as these retain more of the plant's beneficial compounds. Proper storage. Store your maca powder in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. This will help preserve its freshness and potency for longer. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of maca powder, the ultimate superfood. Remember, always consult with your healthcare professional before incorporating any new supplement into your routine. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.